Welcome. If you've ever tried to check your Instagram activity from your PC, you might have noticed things look a little different after the latest update. Today, I'll show you exactly how to open your activity page on the Instagram app for PC, step by step, so you can keep track of your actions, interactions, and overall account activity with ease. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your PC. If you're using the web version, you'll notice some features are missing, so it's best to use the dedicated app for this walkthrough. Once you've opened the Instagram app on your PC, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find most of your navigation options. Among the familiar icons for Home, Search, and Explore, there's a new addition after the recent update, the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a small menu button at the bottom of the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on the More icon. This will open up a new menu with several options that give you more control over your Instagram experience. In this menu, look for the option labeled Your Activity. This is the hub for everything related to your account actions, likes, comments, searches, and more. Click on Your Activity to open your activity page. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your recent account activity. You can review your likes, comments, story replies, search history, and even time spent on the app. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep track of your digital habits or manage your privacy settings. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can access all your Instagram activity directly from your PC, thanks to the new update. Whether you're keeping tabs on your engagement or just curious about your recent actions, the activity page puts all the information you need right at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the latest Instagram features and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.